Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16, and let me show you how to use text replacement feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then click on General and enter keyboard. Now mark text replacement right here, and all you need to do to create your shortcut is tap on plus. And at first, let's enter some phrase. So for example, if you'd like to create shortcut for your email address, just enter your email address and then the shortcut that you would like to use. So let me enter mail. Tap on save then. And from now on, whenever you write mail in some message or anywhere, you'll be able to just use your shortcut, so you don't have to enter the whole name every time you use it. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.